just a few days ago, bringing glory to Inter Miami, where he set upon a new journey. Most recently got the title there, and of course was helped by his teammates and friends who are joining him today as well, Luis Suarez and Rodrigo de Paul. And you've seen quite a few of those pink Inter Miami shirts as well throughout the stadium. Shades of the Barcelona shirts too. Any that have caught your eye, Rohit?
I think I can see a couple of t-shirts which adorns the Kolkata Giants, Mohun Bagan East Bengal, a couple of India jerseys as well. But then all of it, it's got a favor, it's got an undercurrent of Messi. I'll tell you what, I feel like Messi is more like the Perseus. Every time he walks into an ocean or a sea, it's like every single wave kisses his feet, telling him that, boss, you are the glory guy. This is yours. And just as you see, no matter which team you support, at the end of the day, the love for Messi is unparalleled, unbridled, and unreserved.
Now again, the best of coaches, the best of football tacticians have tried to break down his style, the pattern of play. But what makes him great is, again, let me tell you, his low center of gravity. He's just 5 feet 7 inches, and his mentor, the other more famed maybe, Diego Armando Maradona, was 5 feet 5 inches and could have a very small turning radius. That was something brilliant. Messi is quick feet and he's off the ball speed, and with the ball speed is something brilliant, and is what a God-gifted ball. We all love it.
Is that true?
Most definitely. I think you summed it up perfectly there. And also his change in pace. He can slow down and then quickly pace it up, as lots of fans have flocked to the Salt Lake Stadium in enjoyment. I spotted a Real Madrid jersey there. So even the Real Madrid fans are enjoying themselves today. And this is what it's all about. You spoke about the fusion between India and Argentina. See the flags everywhere throughout the stadium as well.
Absolutely, I think Messi transcends all rivalry. Real Madrid, Barcelona. I mean, even if you are an Ajax fan as well, Luis Suarez was a part of it, and he's going to be a part of this trio as well.
This journey is from Rosario to Barcelona to Kolkata, and for the second time after 40 years. और ये जो टूर अब हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे, the GOAT India Tour 2025, आज यहाँ ही शाम को वो जा रहे हैं तेलंगाना. यहाँ पे वो एक हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी से मिलेंगे. तेलंगाना में वो मैच खेलेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर रेवंत रेड्डी से. कल मुंबई सफर है, जहां महाराष्ट्र के माननीय चीफ मिनिस्टर वो भी रहेंगे, देवेंद्र फडणवीस. और अंत में वो मिलेंगे हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से, और कुछ घोषणा, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स वो भी आने का है.
And as the word in the street goes, the projects that you just talked about, they are not just going to be ripples, they are going to be waves. Waves which will bring the country to the forefront of a revolution for the future. And guess what? We talked about Messi, the fact that he's going to culminate this meeting by meeting the Honorable Prime Minister of India. It goes beyond every single thing.
Anticipation builds here at the Salt Lake Stadium. Blue and white all round, and the fans can't wait any longer. We can't wait any longer here in the commentary box as well.
This was a lovely dance performance here. They had some beautiful shows as well.
A bit of fancy footwork, just like Leo Messi. The Argentines know how to move, the Spanish as well. This is the tango. Fantastic performance.
More like a prelude to the crescendo that's to come. It's a matter of moments before the GOAT, the greatest of all time, descends in Yuva Bharati Kridangan.
क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि एक कैलेंडर ईयर में उनकी सबसे ज्यादा गोल है 91, याद करिए. और एक सिंगल क्लब को होकर वर्ल्ड फुटबॉल की हिस्ट्री में जितने गोल किए हैं 672 फॉर फुटबॉल क्लब बार्सिलोना। ये पहुंचना, ये छूना शायद नामुमकिन है।
Absolutely, stats that can go on and on and on, and that is the legacy that Leo Messi has built for us for a number of years, not only for his clubs but for his country as well. And now the fact that not once but twice he graces the city of joy, it just is absolutely unbelievable, and you can feel the excitement palpable this morning and throughout the last few weeks as well.
Absolutely, I think you talked about stats, लेकिन stats से भी ज़्यादा मेसी का बहुत सारे कहानियां हैं. Right from the very word when he started, there were so many obstacles, so many impediments which were right in front of him, and one of the major challenges was his physical condition and the ailment that he was battling. And as they say, that for greatness, no obstacle can be big enough. You are a colossus, you carve your own path, and Messi did it as if he was born for it.
Talking about the endless accolades in his life, in his footballing career. The La Liga, 474 goals, the most. And again, in the international football, most assists in the majors, 61. And most goal contributions in the FIFA World Cup, 21. And most goals in the Copa America as well. He scored the goal contributions 32. But याद करिए, 3 बार लगातार जो हार चुके थे कोपा, उसके बाद में वो फुटबॉल छोड़ने की उनकी प्लानिंग थी, लेकिन 2 महीने के बाद उन्होंने उनके अपने जो प्लान है वो बदल दिए और came back and he won the World Cup. He won the Copa as well, back to back.
Most definitely, that's what you said, Rohit. In adversity, he stands through, he comes through, and especially at the national stage, of course at club he did it all, but there was a time that heartbreak ensued in 2014 when he lost that final versus Germany, and many of us thought that he might not reach the promised land, but eventually all the stars aligned in 2022 back in Qatar.
Just let me remind you that I felt I was commentating the final, and he walked past the trophy. He got the golden ball though, but I felt that was a tragic moment that brought tears to the hardcore professionals as well.
Him and Pallabda, you talked about the heartbreaks, and he still managed to win. Just to give you all a quick heads up, SRK will be in the city as well. He's already arrived, and that very famous quote of his, "Haar ke jeetne wale ko bazigar kehte hain." He is the bazigar. He is the one who redefined everything. And believe me, you win at the first go, you will not know what it takes to go through the pain, the pangs of despair. And yet when you kiss the pinnacle after going through it all, that feeling is like Charles Bukowski put, shaking hands with God.
इसके ऊपर हम बहस कर सकते हैं, बाजीगर या जादूगर. हम एक झलक देखे हैं, हमारी राज्य की जो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर है अरूप बिस्वास, वो भी आ रहे हैं. And just tell you some little unknown facts about Leo Messi. Now, his major influence has been his grandmother, Celia, because she was the one who took him to the club, the Gran Tole. And even today, after scoring a goal, he points towards the sky and pays tribute to his grandmother.
Yes, and we saw the scenes after they won the World Cup. They all went towards his grandmother's house and celebrated. And here are a few of the other legends who are coming out of Indian football as the match will be taking place between the Diamond Harbour Messi All-Stars and the Mohun Bagan Messi All-Stars. A few familiar faces from times gone by who have graced the Salt Lake Stadium and scored many a goal. But now it's all about a bit of footballing action.
Halcyon days of the past, they say, but we will say halcyon days of the present. And there you go, Mohun Bagan Messi All-Stars versus Diamond Harbour Messi All-Stars. This will be coming to you live from the Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Kridangan, and of course on the screens of DD Sports and their OTT waves.
And make no mistake, these are the great players, the Indian players, the national players. You can see Mehtab Hussain, Mohammad Rafiq, and each one wearing that jersey number 10. This is a great tribute to one of the world's greatest footballer of all time. Kibu Vicuña is being introduced, and the customary handshake.
That is nice to see Kibu Vicuña there as well. Majorly associated with both the clubs on display today, and how wonderful it is to see so many of the legends who are no longer playing professionally, but you see them around here and there. They're always so passionate about the sport that we love, and of course they'll be locking horns in a few moments time. A few friendly tackles already before we kick off.
Who doesn't love a banter or two, yeah? No matter how hard the rivalry gets, at the end of the day, they are bonded together by a giant extended family going by the name of football.
Manus Bhattacharya is also there as the coach of the Mohun Bagan Messi All-Star 11. Now the match officials, as you see, Rohan Das Gupta with the ball, the official, and they're all ready. And for Kibu Vicuña, it's been something wonderful. He is now officiating for Mohun Bagan, but won the I-League for... He's the head coach of Diamond Harbour, but had won the I-League for Mohun Bagan.
Absolutely. I-League 1, 2, 3. He's done it all. And for both the clubs on display. And we spoke about the Messi 10 at the back. You've also got the Messi in front of the jerseys as well. So this should be a really enjoyable Legends match. You've got the Conquer there as well, and you've got the World Cup ball from 2026, so that is a bit of a prelude to next year's World Cup as well, where Messi himself said that he will be playing for Argentina as a world champion.
Shilton Paul with Abhishek Dutt, the two skippers, Abhishek for Diamond Harbour FC, and again Shilton for the Mohun Bagan Messi All-Star 11.
And also another fact, I think we saw a couple of players who aren't who are still very much in the trade. Vikramjit Singh, I think he's leading Diamond Harbour Football Club right now, so he'll be a part of this fray as well. And there you go, this man. I think we talked a lot about Messi. We talk about Indian strikers. Dipyendu Biswas redefined it all. This man, Vikramjit Singh, he's also formerly a part of Mohun Bagan, make no mistake, but today he's donning the threads of Diamond Harbour Football Club.
Getting their stretches in. It's been a while since a few of them have taken the field, but isn't it amazing to see them, legends of the past, taking the Salt Lake Stadium field once again.
And believe me, they can light it up like a firework, Liam. I think you were saying, were they rusty? Not really. Believe us, we have seen them stretching. We've seen them stretching on the sidelines of CFL. They are as active. Give them a match, give them a ball, they'll run like a leopard.
You can see Deepak Mandal, again, one of the all-time great central defenders. We can see Lal Kamal Bhomik. He was steering the United Sports in the Kolkata League as well.
I didn't say they're rusty, because I've shared the field with a couple of them a few months ago actually, especially Mehtab and Deepankar. They've still got it, let me tell you.
Liam, a couple of tales. I'm pretty sure the audience will be waiting for them. Give us a couple of inside stories, please.
Oh yes, especially Deepankar Da, we know he likes that flair and that magic, and we'll try to put a few of his skills on display today, I'm sure, and he's definitely going to be sparkling up this Salt Lake Stadium with those moves. So just a few moments before we kick off, Rohit, and how iconic it is to have such a grand occasion. Of course, we do have Leo Messi, who will be in our midst, but to have the legends of Indian football, it's all because of them that the sport has grown to its heights that we see today. That someone that Messi can come to Kolkata and be a part of this kind of an occasion.
Absolutely, I think blazing the trail for something massive or up, and to be very honest with you, ये जो footballers हैं, I think ये जहाँ से शुरू किए थे, ये सबके जो कहानियां हैं, वो कहानियां बहुत ही मशहूर हैं. शिल्टन पॉल मोहन बगान के लिए जब खेले थे, बहुत सारे डर्बीज के पार्ट थे और बहुत अच्छे सेव्स भी किए हैं. and Asim Biswas, another big name in Indian football. और ये कहा जाता था कि when Asim Biswas had the ball, कहीं से भी वो गोल करने का लायक है. In fact, we have seen him take a lot of shots, lot of long ranges from outside the box, turning the match on its head in a flash. यही उसकी खासियत है.
Most definitely. They've done it time and again at the Salt Lake Stadium and throughout different grounds, not only in India but across the world. A few final moments of warm-up, lovely goal cam view there. And then we will be watching these legends in action. Referee's all set as well. And a few moments of magic we will surely see.
और एक झलक मैंने देखा भारत की पूर्वी कप्तान जो है देवजीत घोष, उनको देखा. सैयद रहम ने भी शायद वो भी भारत की कप्तानी किए थे. सुब्रत पॉल नहीं है.
It's a full-blown star-studded show. Who says that you don't see stars during the daytime? Just tune into DD Sports and you get to see all of them. The biggest star though, the Northern Star, is on his way. Will be here in even before you blink. So stay hooked to the screens.
Kibu Bikuna talking to the players. Diamond Harbour Messi All-Star with Mohan Bagan Messi All-Star. They're all Messi. And as rightly mentioned by the Bollywood Badshah, Shah Rukh Khan, he said, yes, coming to Kolkata, not for the reason for the nights, this is absolutely going to be Messi.
What an occasion that will be. He will be meeting